Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to change yarn colors invisibly in your crochet project. This technique is great for creating seamless color transitions, especially in projects like Amigurumi. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. First, work the last stitch of your current color by only into the back loop. Stop just before you complete the last step of your stitch. So if you're doing a single crochet, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull up and loop, but don't finish the stitch yet. Now drop your old yarn and pick up a new yarn. Yarn over with a new yarn and pull through the remaining loops on your hook to complete the stitch. This way a new color will start seamlessly. To make sure your yarn ends are secure, tie a small knot with the old and the new yarn ends. This will keep them from unraveling. Continue working your stitches as usual with the new yarn. When you get to the last stitch of your round, insert your hook into both the front and back loops. Yarn over with the new yarn and complete the stitch. This helps secure the new color in place. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.